Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, lecturers. Let us introduce ourselves. We are from TRPL 603, and we will to present our final project, TPL, named Gulakopedia. Gulakopedia is mobile-based application for blood sugar monitoring based on USDA and OFF standards. Our journey from problem to solution. The first is problem identified. People with pre or diabetes lack simple tools to accurately track sugar intake by weight of food. Second is requirement analysis. Conducted survey and secondary research to understand user pain points. Third, design, created wireframe and UI mockup focusing on intuitive sugar tracking. Fourth, implementation, develop MVP using Flutter and Firebase. Fifth, testing and validation. Conducted user testing to gather feedback on usability, functionality, and clarity of nutritional information. Six, deployment and launch. Release on Play Store and APK Pure. Promote via Instagram. Introduction, our solution, Gulakopedia, now live. With main feature, daily sugar intake limit information, detail of intake and nutrition per session, scan to view nutritional information of packaged food, weekly intake information. Our tagline is, atur asupan sehat favoritmu di Gulakopedia. Who are who are our users and how we reach them? This is Agus Abdial, our representative user persona. He's 23 years old, a college student from Batam, and currently single. Agus was diagnosed as pre-diabetic 6 months ago. Since then, he's been trying to track his sugar intake more seriously, but most health apps only show calories. His main goals are to stay within his daily sugar limit, learn how much sugar in his meals, and build better eating habits. Pinpoint Agus find that most apps only focus on calories and carbs, and very few highlight sugar in grams. Many apps are also either too generic or too complex. This user person help us design Gulakopedia with clarity. Our app needs to be simple, sugar focused, and practical for young and adults who are managing their health. Our user acquisition in 3 months, our Instagram content reached 144 views with over 73.3% coming from non-followers. This shows strong potential for organic reach and brand awareness, driven primarily by educational posts.
User engagement proof of impact 6 download on application Pure as of July 17 to active user in the last 7 days, 50% retention rate, user who return within 7 days, 4.3 min average session duration per user, must use feature daily sugar log and barcode scan. Our go-to-market strategy in action, marketing and acquisition, Instagram educational post react for 417 views, March until July, with 77% from non-followers. NGX 540 Batam students through direct outreach to test and explore Gulakopedia firsthand. Monetization, currently Gulakopedia has not premium users.
Robust architecture built for growth. This is diagram of Flutter application architecture with block pattern. The user interact through the UI with send event to block process the logic, retrieve data from the food data API or Firebase, and then send the state back to the UI for display to the user. This architecture made to a more structured, easy to develop, and easy to maintain. As next, short-term goal, loss on Play Store, status pending, low sugar food recipe, and onboarding flow to help understand its exciting feature. Long-term goal, explore AI integration for food recommendation and community chat feature for education. Next, continuous improvement MVP to current release. Before version, no info button to explain its daily activity on the field profile page. Dashboard was cool to read with too many features. No food grade indication for airs intake item in the add menu page. No setting adjust to portion or weight of food. No detailed nutrition information for airs food item. After version, activity information now available on the profile page from sedentary to active. Dashboard redesigned to be clean and focus on core feature. Food grade indicator added to earth intake item on the add menu page. User can now log intake based on food weights and detailed nutrition info show for its food item.
Comprehensive documentation and resources. Project repository is available on GitHub user manual, and the application is available on AppleCamp Hub, and Play Store is pending. Meanwhile, for collaboration tools, we use Google Drive for documentation. Lesson learned for our application development is publishing an app isn't just technical, it's procedural. We learned that deploying it to the Play Store involves detailed steps from preparing to release build to managing app signing, privacy policy, and store listing compliance. State management simplifies collaboration. Using block architecture really helps us to keep our flow scalable, predictable, and easier to debug during teamwork. Firebase integration is powerful, but requires planning. We discovered the importance of properly setting up the authentication, database rules, and file store structure early on to avoid rework. Calculating sugar needs is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Creating a daily sugar intake calculator based on user weight and gender requires us to deeply research USDA recommendations and ensure our logic fits varied user profiles. Documentation saves the team, keeping track of setup steps, Firebase configs, deployment key stores, and Gradle setups saves time when errors happen. Here is documentation of our journey. Thank you. This is the login screen. User required to put their account detail if they are already signed up, which I am. Okay, this is our dashboard. Here you can see the meals for the days of the week. We have a goal for the day, and here is our meals. Take a snack. Here's our meal detail. Okay, I've had this snack. Next, we can open the food detail. And add our meal. Nice. This is our confirmation screen. We can adjust the gram weight. I'll keep it to the default. Now this is our meals updated. Here's our total for the meal. Next, we can view the detail for the week, the month, and also the week. Okay, that's all for our application demo. That is the end of our demonstration and the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.